Hello to all my love and light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Sean Ivan D. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, we're opening our last subscription box for this month. This is the Birchbox. It's $10 per subscription, and you can find the link down below. I believe I have a discount code provided there. Let's go ahead and get this box open, see what we got in this month's box. Oh, awesome. It's a really beautiful box this month. Nice pretty flowers. It's pretty light. Let's go ahead and open it up. It says, feel your mind, body, and soul. We're inspired by our April book club pick, Let Your Mind Run, a memoir of Thinking My Way to Victory by Olympic medalist runner Dina Castor and Michelle Hamilton. Body, speaking of running, fresh air, budding blooms, and warmer weather are just a few reasons to exercise outside today. Plus, a healthy heart doesn't hurt. Start by walking and integrating short run intervals. Soon enough, you'll be acing higher calorie burn hills. Soul. In addition to finding your inner zen, studies have shown that meditation can reduce inflammation so your skin can look its best. Supplement your skincare routine with one of our favorite calming apps, the Mindful app, Headspace, and Breathe. We love seeing all the fun ways our customers upcycle their Birchboxes. In honor of Earth Day of April 22, share your creations using Birchbox DIY. And there's a list of all the products and the costs on the back. So the first thing I see is this Brighten Up, and it's by Vasanti. Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. The full size goes for $34. Says this customer fave mimics the effects of microdermabrasion for a glowing, smooth complexion. Massage a pea-sized amount onto damp skin and rinse 3 to 5 times a week. Dramatically improve your skin's texture to reveal softer, brighter, and younger looking skin. This powerful exfoliator mimics professional microdermabrasion results using 99% natural ingredients. What this smells like. Oh! It smells really good, actually. Hope y'all got a good laugh out of that. That was funny. It's actually like 2 in the morning. I just got out of the bathtub and I was about to go to bed. I decided to open this box up today. We're having a really bad windstorm out there. We're having like 65 hurricane gust force winds, and they were saying that it could reach up to 80 miles an hour tonight. So we actually have a canopy, a gazebo type of thing on our deck, and I had to take off the top because it acts like a parachute. Okay, so the next thing I see is Briogeo Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protecting Cream for the hair. Full size goes for $24. Blowouts just got easier thanks to this lightweight styling cream. It protects against heat damage and hydrates hair with rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. So this will be really great for my mom. I do color her hair. I would recommend using a any type of blow dry or heat protection before you do blow dry or curl your hair. It's just going to protect it from drying out and getting frizzy. It says usage. Apply 1 or 2 nickel-sized amounts to damp hair evenly from root to tip. Blow dry and style as desired. Heat protects up to 450 degrees. So definitely a recommend for anybody that does heat processing to their hair. The next thing I see is this eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner. It says Eco London. So that's that. there. From a subtle, precise line to a bold look, accentuate eyes with this pen style ultra black liquid liner. It goes on velvety smooth and stays all day long without budging. So that's really awesome. The original retail price for a full size is $22. Ooh, it's got a nice kind of thicker tip on it. Goes on real smooth. It looks like it's pretty matte. So that's really awesome. Nice small size so it can fit in your purse very easily. The next thing we see is a Jane Iredale Just Kissed Lip and Cheek Stain in Forever Pink. Ooh, that's really light pink. It's not showing up at all. It's right there actually. Let's see. Lips are kind of dry. This is something I could wear. Has a really nice, fresh, clean scent. Kind of peachy, actually. That's really cute. Really super tiny. This says, Just Kissed Lip and Cheek Stain Forever Pink. Swipe on this multi-purpose stain for a pretty pink flush on your lips and cheeks. Plus the nourishing olive and avocado oils in the formula help to soften and smooth. Definitely feel a lot of moisture from it. And the last thing we got is something that I picked for this box. It's the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit, the mascara. Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang volumizing mascara. Full size goes for $24. This size here is 12, so this actually paid for the box and then some. It says, lashes ready for liftoff. This gravity-defying mascara creates volume without weighing lashes down thanks to the formula's featherweight aero particles. So that's very interesting. And my mom actually uses this and she really likes it. So I'm looking forward to trying this for myself. This is just my size, something that, you know, I need. So that's it for this video. We've got the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator and Exfoliator, the Brio Geo Rascaro Hair Protectant for thermal protection. We got this little mini lip by Jane Iredale, Just Kissed Lip and Cheek Stain, and this liquid lip liner by Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black, pitch black, precise, smudge proof. And then of course the Bad Gal Bang. So that's it for my Birchbox for this month. I'm actually really happy with these products. It's definitely worth the price because this is more than the box is actually cost. So very happy with that, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And we'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for all your support.